back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sasha Konaka and today we'll be cooking in the kitchen. Yes, welcome to episode 2 of Vlogtober. Today we'll be making something lovely, something simple, garlic and chili pasta. This is such an easy recipe and it's something that I made today for lunch and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So stay tuned, enjoy, sit back and relax.
Baby, 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 please. I just wanna kiss you up, cause it's my job to please you. You see me down here on my knees.
In a pan with oil, add 3 cloves of grated garlic.
Yeah, you know I'll get this fire.
Ensure your oil is not too hot, so make sure your pan is on low to medium. This is so your garlic can flavor the oil rather than burn in the oil. After about 2 minutes of your garlic in the oil, add your chili. I used 3 chilies, but if you're someone that doesn't enjoy chili, use 1 and remove the seeds. Season with about a teaspoon of salt. Immediately after seasoning, add the juice of half a lemon. Be sure not to get any seeds in it. Stir and then add your spaghetti. I used spaghetti. You can also use pasta or linguine. Either one works out. Looking at this recipe, you would ask, Sasha, does this taste nice? But it does. It really, really does. You can taste each and every ingredient. The garlic, the lemon, the chili, and they all work so well together to create this lovely summer pasta. Now, as a final ingredient, I'm adding dried mixed Italian herbs because I don't have fresh herbs. But when we have fresh herbs, I would use fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please be sure to check out yesterday's episode where I was planting in the garden, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for episode 3 of Vlogtober. Bye!
I'm the kind of guy that needs your man, and baby girl, I stay up by your side with one condition.